Hi there. So today I want to show you how to build a contact form that you build in GroovePages or GrooveFunnel and connect it to SendGrid. So one of our fellow Groovester would like to see how I do this in more detail so uh, she can have a better understanding and to fix her problem. So we will see how to do that. So as I mentioned in another video, we have multiple solutions. I will make a link below to the previous video, but we have GroovePages and SendGrid that we can use, and we can use GroovePage with Zapier integration. So the other videos show both of them. We also have some people also talk about GroovePages and GrooveMail, but GrooveMail is an autoresponder, so it will not enable you to receive the email from your customer. So this is not something that we will see in detail. So what we need a GrooveFunnel account, so you can have a free GrooveFunnel account in the link below in the description. We also need a SendGrid account. I already have a SendGrid account, so I will create a new SendGrid account just for the demonstration purpose and to be able to face all the problem that we may find with a new account. So let's do this. So I'm here in SendGrid. When you click on SendGrid, if we go to the root, we came here, you see you can do start for free. We'll enter an email address. So we paste the password, say that we are not a robot, we accept the term and condition, and we create an account. Let's continue with this and I will get back to you. So we tell a bit more about yourself and we continue. So one step we have is here is to confirm their email address. So I will confirm my email address here. This is done. After that, we have to create a single sender authenticate sender name. We'll do that. So in create sender, we fill out the form with all your information. Put the real information actually because it's a good thing to do, and we click create. Now that the sender is create, I will have to verify the sender. So I receive an email that I will show you here. So this email needs to be verified here. So again, clicking the link. So the sender is verified. So I will continue the configuration. Here we have a message here to test our sending. So we will try to do it with the Web API SMTP relay. So for that, so we already create a sender. We'll start here. Web API. We'll see. So this is not really what we want. What we want, it's API key here in the setting account. We can create an API key here, give full access, give a name. So we'll say Groove Funnel Contact Form. We click create and view. This key is important that you keep it away because you will not see it anymore. So you keep it somewhere safe. You click done, and you now have the integration here. So the next thing is to go back into your GrooveFunnel account. Go into my integration. I see you have a few here. You will create a new integration using web form. So actually, it's not SendGrid by itself, but it's called web form. So I click here. You see it's telling me SendGrid the API. So I will put here the key that I paste from the dashboard of SendGrid, and I will enter here the email address of my SendGrid account. I will say that update. So I see a new one here. I can exit here, and now I will try to connect this to a new form. I will create a new page for that. So creating a new page for that, I will create on the page section, add button, blank from template. So I will take a blank page. Here I will go into block. You can also build it yourself with contact form, that kind of stuff, but we already have layout that you can use. So I will take this one here. So you see, this is the minimum that we need, and actually SendGrid will basically only support that kind of setup side. So an email, the name of the person that is contacting you, the email of the person that is contacting you, and the message. So to double check, you can close this here, and you can click on name. You will see that the name field here. You will see the email field here. It's input name email and the message. Now I need to connect the form by itself. So what you need to do here is to select, you can select a field. You will click here on form container. So you get the form global form. Once the form is selected here, you can click in configure, select integration, and select the integration that you created. So you will have basically one. I have multiple. So this one is the latest one. And you select where you want to redirect afterwards. So the home page. Say update. We will save that and publish. So the page is name, so everything is published. Page is name page 6. So I will come here, page 6, we'll enter name. So I'm trying it, clicking sending, it says send, it returned to the home page. So now what we have to want, we want to go back into SendGrid, go into the activity dashboard here, and we will click search to find if the integration process work. So actually you see that they receive it. It's the only email. I just try it and it worked. So you will you see it. If you click here, you see from to the detail of the message. They are processed. Like I said in the previous video, sometimes you can have an ISP that say that it's blacklisted. So actually it will try more time. So it will take more time to be delivered. But this here show you that your integration works. So now it's only a time of waiting the email to be to arrive at your place. So hope it helped. If you have other comments, just let me know in the text in the chat below the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you want to know when I'm sending and posting new video, just subscribe to the channel. We'll be pretty happy if you do. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.